How to reset your Samsung phone to factory settings. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to reset your Samsung phone to factory setting and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin the video, you need to go to the settings on your phone before you want to erase everything on your phone, because factory settings means that everything will be erased from your phone and it will go back to the factory settings once you buy the phone isn't new. So you need to go to accounts and backup. If you have data and you want to back it up, you need to go here and back up your data before resetting it. So once you're done with that and you don't have any data or you don't want to back it up, you go to general management. Once you tap on general management, you need to scroll down where you will find the reset option. Just tap on reset. And here you will find factory data reset. You need to tap on that, and here you need to read it carefully. As you can see, there's a Google account, system and data app, settings, downloaded apps, everything will be erased, the music, the pictures. So if you have that, you need to back it up or send it to another device before doing it. All these applications will also be deleted. If you are okay with it, just tap on reset. And here you need to enter the PIN that you have set for your phone, and then you need to tap on next. So it will bring you here and they will ask you one more time, and you need to just tap on delete all. It will bring you here. You need to sign into your Samsung account first. So guys, once you sign into your Samsung account, as you can see, the phone is off. It will restart, and by restarting, it will erase everything from your phone and you will see the screen as it was when you first knew by the phone. So guys, as you can see, it is restarting. It will take some time because it is erasing everything from the phone. So guys, as you can see the screen, they say welcome and it is as new as you bought it in the beginning. Everything has been erased. So guys, this is how you can reset your Samsung phone to factory settings. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.